Hey, what is up, guys? It's Henry from Foreign Fellows, and we'll be off this week, so instead of our usual shenanigans, we'll be having a little Counter-Strike tutorial done by our good friend Petrov. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, do, all that stuff. Anyway, enjoy. Again. But more.
Right, hello. My name is Petrov, and today I will be showing you crazy CSGO tips to make you like the pros. Right here, let's just jump right in. I'm expecting all of you are new to this game. First Google tips are that we must change our settings to have like the pros. So what you want to do is you want to check these options, and you want to go right into the settings. You have all the settings. I want to go to audio settings. First, we turn down this freaking loud music because it's crazy. It's gonna pop my ears, right? Okay, so we're gonna change some stuff real quick, just to make sure everything is set up right. First of all, we change speaker configuration. I can't afford 2 speakers. Or 4 speakers or 5.1. How do you have 0.1 of a speaker? I do not know. I do not know this. I do not care for this. So I use the phones in the head of mine to call my friends up later on in voice. Now, do I want to enable voice? Well, of course I want to enable the voice. So I say press to use. No, I do not press to. I open microphone because this will let you use your voice always in game. You want this. Play audio when game in background. No don't need to mess with any of this other stuff. This is all simple stuff. This is how pros play. We're going to show you how pros play. Here we go. Keyboard and mouse. This is most important part of game. This is where all the porridge is at for all you sukas. This is gonna be crazy. So first of all, do you want to reverse your mouse? Of course not. Because this is going to ruin your game. Your mouse is not a car, it does not have a brindle, it does not have a park, it does not have a drive, so why would you use a reverse? That is my knowledge, it is my opinion. Of course, some pros differ, but I am better pro than they all are, so this is what we are going to do. Then we want your duck mode and your walk mode. Of course, you don't want to hold the duck, but you don't want to tackle it either, because if you tackle it to the ground, it will like fight you and stuff, so we want to just hold it, right? We want to be easy, we want to be calm. Right, so we're gonna hold our ducks. Then we're going to hold our toggles as well. Hold toggles. I messed it up so badly right there. And we're going to hold our walks so that our walks are very consistent with the game. Right, great. Now we want mouse sensitivity. Like you want the mouse to be as sensitive as Wi-Fi is. So you don't want it 2.7, 3.4, 8.9, and the Wi-Fi can still take joke. We want 20 because 20 is where it gets crazy, where it gets hectic, right? You want to break your sensitivity like you want to break Wi-Fi. Great. Zoom sensitivity same. You want it at 0, but 0 is not allowed, so we do 0.1. Raw input, of course, you want a raw input. Cooked input would be absolutely ridiculous. That shouldn't even be in game. Then you want your mouse acceleration. Now, of course, as we have learned from crazy speed track races, that the faster you go, the better you do. So you want to play better. And we're going to go from the speed track races like the NASCAR, so we want the acceleration to be at top, so we do on, and we do all the, oh my goodness, it is not going up. I will just set it to like 300, and oh goodness me, look at this, I will set it to 800, because this is the greatest of the, 126 is okay, but 800 would have been nice. Okay, so we save this, we go on to next, we want video settings. Here's the easy part. We want our brightness at around 2.4, blaze it, am I right? Color mode, if you want computer monitor, you can do this. However, you can do television if you want a television. I like computer monitor because I have computer monitor, but television, television is actually, this is actually a lot nicer. We're going to use this. Resolution, you want up, you want full screen, you want enabled full screen always, not like, you get it, you get the point. Of course, advanced video options, you want like the pros, right? Very low, this is all scrub. This is all scrub material if you have it at very low. I don't care how your computer is. I don't care if you can handle it. I don't care if you can do it, because it doesn't matter. My video card doesn't let me do that. People say to me always. I say, no, the video card doesn't matter. You matter, right? So we disable we enable all this. We set not to scrub low. We set to very high, very high, higher than I am right now. And we go apply very much so. This is what I like to see. Then we go, of course, to to credits to double check to make sure credits work. We got everyone here. Just check if anybody left, just in case. G. Brennett here, Mike Bam, Mike Belzar, Killa, Benefil, Futsi, Fatso is here. Augusta Butleon, Tom Butran, Jeff Kane, Liz Cambridge, everybody is here, so we are going to crazy do this. We are good. Our credits have very good played us. So of course, you must then set a profile. This will be in other footage, but I'm playing as the great Ulysses S. Grant, General Best President of the United States, as I've heard from many sources. I like to play him because he is cool. You can make anything you want. It is, however, a different tutorial. Okay, guys, then you gotta make sure your awards, you have all your crazy stats, which weapons you like. I like this one because AK-47 reminds me of home. You got your achievements. I have no achievements unlocked. Okay, we skip for now because I have nothing. Leaderboards that you won't be on, that you will never be on because you suck. You have watch in case you want to check time. You'll just look at it for long enough. And inventory to check all the cool shit you earn from playing game, right? Then you go to play, and here this is the complex part. So right, so we have taught you how to do all of this. Then you are ready to click on this button. However, you are not ready for this. We will cover in next tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please watch, subscribe, and watch again. I love you all with the greatest graciousness of my heart. I'm Silver Elite Master, 124 wins, ESL Pro League Season 1 Finals. Have a good day.